back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm doing a little day of my life. So I'm gonna go do a quick little Pilates class in my basement. You know what I want to do? What I need to do today, I'm making sure I do this today because I meant to do this. It's stupid, but I have the worst memory. If you know me, you know me and my memory. Me and this little bad boy up here, me and my brain, we're like acquaintances. Like, we're not friends. So I was supposed to bake these cookies for Halloween and I never did. So I'm gonna bake them today because I want them in my body. They're Halloween themed, but don't judge me. I will literally probably eat these in a day. So I have the Pillsbury, because I say berry, but it's spelled burry. Pillsbury, but who wants to say that? Not me. So we have the pumpkin cookies and then we have the ghost cookies. And I will be making all of them. I could eat the dough right now. Safe to eat raw. Same. Oh my God, that was such a bad joke. Let's go do a quick little Pilates workout and then we'll see where the day takes me. Woo! So I have this ring light right here because I don't have like a light or a lamp on my desk. I just have this ring light. So I just use it when I'm sitting here and I'm doing stuff. So I have a light on my face, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, so right now, why am I speaking in an accent? I don't know. Right now I just have to answer some emails. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna also nibble on some sushi. I love sushi so much. It actually makes me so happy. Oh, also, so this is gonna go up on, so right now it's November, it's Monday. I know I'm wearing a shirt that says Sunday, but mind your business, okay? Thank you. But right now, every Jewels is having their bigger than Black Friday sale. 10 out of 10, if you use my code, you can get up to 70% off, which, like, who doesn't want 70% off? You know what I'm saying? The sale started yesterday, which was the 6th, and it's going until the 17th. So if you want any cute jewelry or some clothes, this shirt is from every, these necklaces are from every zodiac ring is. Come on, look how cute. It's, if you didn't, okay. If you didn't know, I'm an Aries. I know people don't like us, but guess what? I don't care. So I have a little Aries zodiac ring. But anyways, use my code Maya777. Maya777 if you want to shop till you drop, which we love. Like, who doesn't love jewelry? I am such a jewelry fanatic. I can't pick up this piece of sushi. I can't pick up this piece of sushi. Why are we hating me right now? Be for real. Be so for real right now. I really want to just be that girl that's like can have an aesthetic YouTube video, but my ADHD and me also just being an Aries does not allow that to happen. I can't pick up this piece of sushi, and if it doesn't pick up in the next 10 seconds, I'm throwing it across the room. I also have a nice coffee because I've been out of coffee yet today. So let's write some emails. I don't want to though. I don't want to. One thing I really need to do is send in my little rolls of film. Let me discuss things with you. Let's not do that ever again. Thank you very much. Wowzers. Don't make me mad because I will cry. I'm fragile and my period is coming. So don't do this to me. Anyways, currently yelling at sushi. That's how you want to know how my life is going. When did I start like taking film? I think it was maybe 2020 where I started getting into film, but I would use these, my little disposables, of course. They're just so easy and so simple and so fun. But then recently I've been like really wanting to get into it, and I was really looking at buying the, oh, what's it called? Olympus, I think that's how you pronounce it. I really want the Olympus one, but we're gonna get there eventually. However, I remember that my grandpa loves to keep things and he has a ton of film cameras. So I went to my grandpa's house and I said, hey grandpa, how are you? And he taught me all about his film cameras. So he let me take this one home. It's the Pentax S. I don't know how to read. I don't. So I got it like repaired and now it should be good. I feel like I don't know what I'm saying. I need to send in a roll of film, but then I also use disposables when I go like out and like, cause I don't really want to bring that, like my grandpa's camera to like a bar or a restaurant, because who do I, like this isn't a bit, I gotta focus. It's crazy. It's not just like a point and shoot type of thing. So I have to get my cameras ready. So when I do get like my disposables and stuff developed and like my film developed, I do it with Downtown Camera. If you live in Toronto, that's the place that I go to. You can mail it in or you can go there and like give it to them. Everyone always is like, Maya, what do you do when you do this? I'm like, guys, I don't really know. I kind of just wing it. This coffee is hitting my stomach right now. No, that's good. I am so smart. Thank you, Carl, for DJing me, because I always forget how to do this. I really don't want to leave my house though right now, but I will for the sake of this because I need to get this done. We're gonna go to Shoppers. You're gonna come with me. It's gonna be fun. We'll have a little carpool karaoke session. Who's ready? Hi. Okay, hold on. I'm going to Shoppers, sadly. It's sunny, but it's cold, so I don't understand. You can't even see me. Oh, this lighting is so bad. Anyways, let's listen to some music. I don't like when somebody is following me. It makes me scared. I want to listen to some throwbacks. Okay, I'm just gonna go run into Shoppers really quickly and I'll be right back and then we'll have a nice little carpool karaoke session. Okay, I'm back and I'm better. Did that. For some reason, the line was unethically long, which never happens. Like a song. Jay. I find that so crazy that like T-Pain and Chris Brown would have songs together and they would be Nappy Boy and Pretty Boy. Bro, if I had to go as Nappy Boy, I kind of want to listen to Olivia Rodrigo. I'm changing the music. I'm parked. Mom, if you're watching this, I'm literally parked. Oh, whoa, they tore down a house. This song hurts me. If I start crying, just go with it, you know? But the way I heard, yeah, you talk to her. Oh, driver's license. I shouldn't be listening to this right now. Be in my feels. I don't want to be in my feels. Bitch, what the fuck? I'm like happy. I love this song. Ah! I love this song. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. I love it. Spotify just told me you had one song on repeat last year, Driver's License by Olivia Rodrigo. First of all, you're loud. I'm gonna see you guys back inside. So I'm back in my house. And I could sleep right now if I'm being completely honest with you. I could take a nap. I am a nap taker. I like naps. Sue me. I want to bake these cookies, but do I want? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Why would I even put that? Why would I even say do I want to? I do. Welcome to my cooking show where we're gonna make cookies, except they're already pre-made. That sunshine that's going on right there just blinded me. I want to do both. Or should I just do one and do another one like next week? Do you know what I'm saying? Like, should I just not do them both at the same time and just do one right now and do one next week? Because there's literally 20 cookies in each. We don't need 40 cookies right now. Is that how the maths? 2 + 2 is 4. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna do one cookie right now. One cookie. Okay, so do we do pumpkins or ghosts? Eeny, meat, no, we're doing pumpkins. Should I just do both? I don't know. No, we're gonna do one. We're gonna do one, we're gonna do one, we're gonna do one, we're gonna do one. Oh my gosh. We are going to make these cookies. I already washed my hands when I came home because I was out and germs. Why am I reading the instructions? This ain't my first rodeo. Look, I freaking love these. Look it. It's freaking cookies. Halloween's over, but y'all better come over here and get one of these. It's a chicken salad. That TikTok is stuck in my head. Yup, yeah. For some reason, every time I'm home, my phone, sorry, I just got a very alarming text message that just shook me to my core. Fuck, I actually just lost my train of thought because that message that I just got actually like rocked my shit. Guys, no, really, what was I just talking about? Oh, my phone always goes on do not disturb whenever I enter my house. I don't know if I made that like an automation thing or what. My phone does that, so I don't know if that's like a thing I have to change in the settings, but every time, like I'll have my phone on do not disturb and then it'll just automatically go onto, or I won't have my phone on do not disturb and then it'll automatically go into do not disturb. And I'm like, but I didn't even do this. So I think it might be an automation that I have to like change. Tasty. Tasty. FaceTime my sister really quick, so let's see if she'll answer. I know she ain't working. She's on maternity leave. Unless she put an Aria to sleep. But I'm gonna let it go and I'm gonna wait till it says unavailable so I can send her a screenshot of me trying to call her. Cause she rude. Okay, Miss Thang. But 1 second I don't answer a FaceTime. It's World War III. Bro, why does it take so long for an oven to like preheat? While that's preheating, I'm gonna go and stack the dishwasher really quickly. I know you don't want to see me doing that because chores. Okay, so I'm not done the dishwasher yet, but as I was doing that, as I was doing that, the oven preheated. So I'm gonna put the cookies in the oven now and I'm very excited. Hi, Ari! I'm here.
Hi.
Say hi.
Who are we saying hi to? Oh, I'm like, why are you showing us the plan?
Say hi.
She's trying to see Grandpa.
Grandpa's not here. He's not here. He's not here. You're so silly.
12 days.
You're so silly. Oh my god, my cookies. Like wholeheartedly. They're finished. Give them like 1 minute to cool, but I'm very excited because I'm gonna eat one right now. Yeah, I am. Oh boy, I'm so excited about these cookies. Like I'm actually so excited. It's so cute. Okay, back on me. Now we're gonna taste test. I already know they're gonna be good. Oh, this was a bad idea. Y'all better come here and get one of these. It's chicken salad. Let's put them on a plate and set them aside because I shouldn't eat them, but I'm going to, so yo. So it's much later, just did my skincare routine. After the last clip, what even was the last clip? I didn't really do much. I kind of like got everything I needed to do done earlier today. So yeah, right now I'm probably just gonna light a candle and read a book. I'm going to read Normal People. I got it the other day and I have not read it yet, but I put it on my Instagram story saying I was really excited to read it, but I have not read it yet, so I'm going to start it tonight and I'm very excited because everyone says it's so good. And then I also want to watch the show because there's a show. To end this video here. I'm just gonna like continue to read some more before I go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very fun to make. Let me know if you liked this kind of video, if you want to see more, if you want to see weeks in my life. Like let me know what kind of videos you want to see and I'll do them for you, you know. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.